Okay, good, good. बच्चों जब आप मतलब हिंदी में भी बोल रहे हो अच्छा है। हाँ, लर्न करो हिंदी में भी शब्दों को, मतलब जो आपको इंग्लिश में आता है उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं वो आपको आना चाहिए। तो आप हिंदी में भी पढ़िए, लर्न करिए नई नई चीजें। यज्ञेश आ गया है शायद। नहीं आया अभी तक यज्ञेश। यज्ञेश हमें बीवर बर्ड का नेस्ट दिखाने वाला था। ओके, देखते हैं यज्ञेश आएगा तब हम। यस, आ गया है यज्ञेश। कैन यू शो अस द वीवर बर्ड्स नेस्ट? यज्ञेश, यज्ञेश। ओके, कीप इट
Ma'am,
रेडी।
this is that nest.
वेट अ मिनट।
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, we are not able to see it properly. 1 minute, Yajnesh. Your screen is black, Yajnesh. You're not able to see. Yes, yes. See all of you, Yajnesh screen.
No,
Can
ma'am,
you?
we are in the network place.
Yes, yes. Now we can see. Everyone, see Yajnesh is showing us the weaver bird's nest. Okay. Very good, Yajnesh. थोड़ा जवळ हाँ तसंच दाखव. 1 minute, Yajnesh. I am clicking a photo. Yajnesh, 1 minute. Hold on. अरे but again the screen is black. यज्ञेश परत ब्लॅक झाली तू. हा तसंच धर. वेट वेट. ओके, वेट. येस, वेट अगेन. थोडस हल्ला तू. हा बस तसंच राहा. येस, ओके, गुड. All of you see, Yadnesh is having weaver bird's nest. How nicely that weaver bird stitches the nest, weaves the nest. Very nice, very nice. Yes, good. Okay, thank you, beta. Both of you, thank you very much to show.
You're welcome.
Okay, children. Now listen, we have one page writing. One page writing of EVS. All of you take your pencil, notebook. Only 5 question answers are there. Chalo, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Take your pencil. Nidhish, take your pencil fast. Notebook, pencil, everyone. Fast, fast, fast. Open a new page. Everyone. Anisha is showing us birds. Oh, we're so nice, Anisha. Good. Yes. If we get time, I'll show you one video wherein you can see different types of birds. Yes, very good. So, all of you ready? We are going to write. No voice. Hello? Children, can you hear me? Can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Savi, please go to some range place wherein the range is proper. Okay? Because it's cloudy, you may be facing trouble because of this cloudy season. Okay. I'm sharing one page, all of you. After that, I'll show you few birds. Okay. All of you. Write today's date. Write today's date, 29.4.21. Birds and animals. Topic you will write birds and animals. BIRDS. Birds and and animals. Birds and animals. Sharanya, what happened? Sharanya,
Yeah.
what are you messaging? You wanted to show something? Huh?
I pick peacock.
You wanted to tell about
I
peacock?
want.
Okay, okay. Let's finish up
Yes.
this work and then I will give you chance. Okay. Let's finish this writing work. Then I'll give you chance. Okay, Sharanya. Birds and animals. First question. Which, these are all sight words, children. Which, what, the, is, my, he, she. Looking at the word, you should be able to read. Which, WHICH, which is ROUR, national 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 animal ANIMAL question mark. Which is our national animal? The answer is yes, you all know, tiger. So learn the spelling. TIGER. Leave one line. Question number 2. In your holidays, please practice writing 1 page compulsory of Hindi and English, children. Because when we will meet in June, we will start with our syllabus and you have question answers, fill in the blanks, word meanings. So you need to be quick in your writing. Your speed should be increased that time. Name NAME, name. Write neatly, leaving one finger space. two pet animals. Now here, children, you can write any two pet animals. You can write parrot, fish, cat, dog, tortoise. Okay. Name two pet animals. And during holidays, please go through all the work which we have done within these days. Read it, learn the spellings. Question number 3. Leave one line and then you will write. Which is the smallest bird? S-M, small. A-L-L, all. Small. Small. Est, E-S-T, est. Smallest bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Which is the smallest bird? I have shown you in the chart. It is hummingbird. The size of the bird is of your thumb size. And the name is because of the sound it makes. It flaps the wing and the sound comes hum. That is why the name is hummingbird. Okay. H-U M-M I-N-G, humming. Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Leave one line. Question number 4. Which now see everywhere in all the 3 questions, which word is there? So by now you should know the spelling. Which, W-H-I-C-H, which. C-H says ch, which, which is our national bird. Which is our national bird? Yes, you all know it's a peacock. P-E-A. P-E-A is P, okay? Caw, C-O, caw. C-K-K, peacock, peacock. Then question number 5. Leave one line and write, children. What? W-H-A-T. Is the young, Y-O-U-N-G, young, one. O-N-E, young one. Means baby. Okay, what is the young one? Means baby. Of cow. C-O-W, cow. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. A-L-L means all. All. Call. E-D. Called. The young one of cow is called as calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. I am waiting, children. Very good, class. Very good, class. So this way in first standard you have writing, children. This is only question answer and one word answer. In first standard you are having one line, two lines answers. Done.
Yes. No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Okay, I will wait, children. I will wait for you.
No.
Parents, long back, I had sent a link wherein you had to update the email IDs. Those who haven't, please fill in that Google form, because in June we will be using a Google Classroom. Okay, for that we need your email IDs to create the class. And in June, all the notices, all the work will be shared on Google Classroom. So please, those who haven't yet filled that form, fill it. Once again, today I will send the link. Good, those who have done writing part. Children, please do practice of writing during holidays, beta. All of you should be able to write one page fast, because in first standard we have lots of portion. And if you will not complete, what will happen? It will get piled up, and then the pressure will be on you and your mama and papa to complete the work. So it is better that you should improve your speed. And when will that happen? When you practice daily. Okay. So you have to practice. For reading also, one page of English and Hindi is compulsory. You all will read. Tables must learn at least 1 to 5. We have till 10, but in June when we will meet, I want till 5 by hearted by you all. Please message on my personal number, the Gmails, not here. And I will be sending that link. You have to fill that Google form also. It was sent earlier also. Those who have filled, no need to refill. And those who haven't, they have to fill the link, the form in that link. For the last period, children, you all will sit with your colors, pencil, colors. Okay, as this is going on, let's ask few questions to few children. Okay. It's a revision law like thing. Okay. Let's start with Yadnish. Yadnish, who flies an aeroplane? Yadnesh, who flies an aeroplane?
Pilot.
Okay, good. Others, you're writing right. Very good. Anisha, what is the color of water? Anisha, what is the color of water? Is it blue, Anisha? Think. No. Okay. I will tell you. Wait. Children, the water is colorless. Okay. It has no color. Water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Water has no color, no taste, and no smell. So, how can you say that it is blue in color? Because the sky color get reflected in the water, so it looks blue. Okay, you can do the experiment. You have colors at home. If you have colors, you can put different colors in the water and you can see the change of color in the water. If you add blue color, water will be blue. If you add red color, water will be red. Okay, so water is colorless, tasteless. There is no taste. If you add sugar in that, it will be sweet. If you add lemon, it will be sour. And odor means no smell also. Like when you use perfumes, agarbatti, okay, incense stick, you can smell, but there is no smell in water. Sharanya, tell me, where does the sunflower face? Where does the sunflower face? Why the name is sunflower?
Sun shape.
No, it's not of sun shape, but it faces towards the sun. जसा जसा sun ज्या साईडला फेस जिकडे जातो त्या साईडला सनफ्लावर फेस करतं, turns the face. Understood?
Yes.
So the sunflower, it always faces towards the sun. Okay. Advait, tell me, which is the largest animal on the land? Largest animal on the land. I had explained. Yes, correct. Elephant. Yes. Children, elephant is the largest animal on the land, but blue whale is the largest in the world, but it is a aquatic animal. Okay. And when 9 elephants are standing together, that much large is blue whale. Arnav Gaudi, which is the largest and fastest running bird? Largest and fastest running bird. It cannot fly. Yes, correct. Ostrich. It is ostrich. Very good. Kavya, which animal guards our house? Which animal guards our house?
Dog.
Good. And Dhruv, please answer, what is the house of a lion called as? We have written this word in our words. Lion's house. Kavya, do you know? No. A tiger lives in a cave. Lion lives in a den. Okay. The house of lion is den. We have written this word in our 3-letter words. Okay, children? Now, Manasvi, when clouds dash with each other, what do we hear? When clouds dash with each other. Yes, we hear thunder. Very good. Mahati, what does the red light in the signal says?
Stop.
Very good. Vedangi, please tell me one non-veg food's name. One non-veg.
Fish.
Okay. Ruchika, can you please tell me one special train which runs on one track, single track, which runs on single track?
चालतं कोणता ट्रेन चालतं
Backward.
Single track.
सिंगल ट्रॅकवर फास्ट जातो आम्ही बघायला गेलो होतो ना
Huh?
हा काय मेट्रो
Metro.
Okay, metro. It's monorail. Okay, single
Monorail.
track. Monorail.
लक्ष-
Mono
Lakshat.
means single. Okay, it runs on single track, children, and the monorail, they don't have wheels. Okay. Meera, can you please tell me the thick woody stem of a tree? What is it called, Meera? The thick woody stem of a tree.
Vertical.
नाही ट्रीचा जो ब्राऊन कलरचा पार्ट आहे ना त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? काय म्हणतो त्याला?
Branches.
No,
काय
trunk.
ते बघ,
Trunk. It
झाडाला
is called as trunk. The
Trunk.
brown कलरचे जे पार्ट असतो ना, yes, the thick, it is thick. Okay, it is called as trunk. Namasvi, tell me one junk food.
जंक फूड कोणतं आहे?
Junk food. Yesterday I showed you a chart in which junk food were there. Tell me one junk food.
हेल्थला चांगलं नसतं ते कोणतं सांगितलं होतं?
Health.
हा.
हा काय चांगलं नसतं खूप खाल्ल्यावर?
Junk food.
काय
कुठलं?
जंक फूड सांग ना.
चपाती, दाल, व्हेजिटेबल. काय चांगलं नसतं?
Chocolate and
Hmm.
cheap
Hmm.
cold drink.
Yes, correct. Chocolates, ice creams, even sweets if you eat too much. Good. Or just tell me which roadway has 3 wheels? Or just which roadway has 3 wheels?
Rickshaw.
Correct. Savi, can you please tell me one climber plant? Any name of climber plant which climbs up? Climbers. Any climber which need stick to climb up?
Grapes.
Yes, grapevine. Correct. Okay, now Nidhish, tell me one animal which does not eat, one wild animal which does not kill other animals, which does not eat the meat.
Elephant.
Correct.